Boom! Alright folks, Hume again. So, recruitment time. We're recruiting soldiers, we're recruiting fighters, we're recruiting warriors. You understand? So anybody who knows my classes know that every year we have what we call the bomb squad. Right? I think I would have started that naming somewhere in 2016, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe 2017. So we had the 2017 bomb squad, we had the 2018 bomb squad, we had the 2019 bomb squad, and now we're going into the 2020 bomb squad. Alright? So where maths and Add.Maths is concerned, we have the 2020 bomb squad. So we're recruiting people for the 2020 bomb squad. But this year, we're going to have another addition. We're going to have a different level of bomb squad now. We have what I refer to as the special forces. Let me say maybe the SEAL Team 6 or whatever you want to call it, for those who are familiar with that, right? This is the group of people who, the aim is not just to pass the exam, the aim is to get a 1. So in other words, for this group, getting a 2 is not an option, right? And this is not about being elitist or show off or anything like that, right? Sometimes in life, in whatever pursuit you're engaging in, you make a decision based on your ability, based on your needs, based on some other goal that you have, that nothing but the top level or the top grade will do. This is the SEAL team, the special forces, so to speak. Right? Now the first set of people in that group would be my students who would have been with me for the last year. Those would have been the Form 4 students who just finished Form 4 and going into Form 5. So in other words, we would have been up to a certain point in both the maths and the Add.Maths syllabuses. Syllabi, not syllabuses. Syllabi is the plural of syllabus. Right? So all I get a lesson in English too. Good? Yes. The SEAL team, the special forces, these are the people who basically are on the verge of entering into the advanced sections of the syllabus. And I'm not just talking about doing it for doing its sake. I'm talking about doing it at a particular level and at a particular depth. Right? Which I'm not going to go into details here because that is for me and my people to deal with. You have to decide whether you trust me enough to send your people into the SEAL Team 6, into the special forces, so to speak. Good? Let me remind you all again, in this group, the goal is to get a 1. The goal is not to pass. Passing is already assumed. We're looking to get a 1 and to make sure that we get a 1. We don't want to be in a situation where you lapse and they get a 2. No, we're looking to get a 1. That is the mentality, that is the goal, that is the focus. That, my friends, is a very different level of preparation, a very different level of work, a different level of attitude, a different level of mentality, a different level of than if the goal is to pass. And again, I don't want to sound elitist. Right? Don't get me wrong, but sometimes you make a decision for whatever reason that you're looking for the top grade, and that is our set of people that I want to have in my session. Alright, so if your aim is to get a 1 in maths and or the Add.Maths, and you feel you need a little help, a little expert guidance, then check me, 293-5712. And for the students who are doing maths and Add.Maths, we have a little something for you as well, which of course we're not going to disclose on the air, but when you call, you will find out, and then you make a decision if you want to come. Alright, so again, elite squad, call, and let me get the show on the road. 1 is the name of the game.